can a machine look at what I'm putting out there and come up with the same conclusion as a human would, right? Now, how does the business, right? How does simplicity marketing actually solve that problem for clients? And what does building those data layers look like in practice?
So it can to a degree. There is always a place where experience and expertise cannot totally be replaced. And this is always going to be the place where you are not irreplaceable. There are certain places where your experience, your ability to tap into emotion, your ability to tap into interaction, the AI can never replicate. It can read data. And that is always the advantage that you have. So, one of the things that we do for our clients and with our clients is we make them tell their story. What makes you unique? What makes you different? What makes you stand out? And that is part of what we train the AI with, is so that it can amplify what makes them unique. But it can never replace that, but it can amplify it. It can deploy that unique selling proposition. It can deploy that unique story in many places and it can do it very efficiently. The other thing that the AI can do that we use it for very efficiently is we know that Google's algorithm and Meta's algorithm is slanted towards their purposes.
Hmm.
So we train our AIs on our clients' behalf to be slanted towards our clients' purposes. So it's working against Google and Meta's algorithm, whether it's their advertising algorithm or their SEO algorithm. It's always studying what is Google doing, what is Meta doing, and here's our client's objective. So what do we have to do in response to that to give our client the best advantage in their marketplace and in their environment? Because the Google rep calls our clients on a regular basis, especially those that are advertising. Let me help you optimize your account. And what that really means is let me help you push some buttons that is going to spend your budget faster than you could ever imagine. And it's going to run it through the roof. And you're going to get lots of clicks, but they're not going to convert very well. And you're going to get horrible lead quality out of it,
Right.
but it'll be really optimized.
You'll be really busy
You'll be
chasing
really busy
chasing your tail.
chasing your tail. But by golly, your ad account is going to say 100% optimized. And you're going to go, why is my bill so high?
That's an interesting point because yeah, all the platforms have a bias. So we're the customer advocates.
I told you this on our preliminary call. I'm a child of the 80s. And when the Terminator shows up, you got to have another Terminator. So that's the game we play.
Uh, yeah, absolutely.